Everyone, so for years, NCIS fans have watched Leroy Gibbs deliver his famous head slap whenever one of his teammates said something stupid, annoying, or completely off topic. Now, after decades of speculation, NCIS origin has finally revealed exactly where that habit came from. In season 2, episode 18, titled Hollywood Ending, the moment happens during a conversation between young Gibbs and his mentor Mike Franks. Gibbs, Lala, and Randy are distracted by a giant world map talking about where they might transfer once the camp office shuts down. Frank walks in, clearly irritated that they are focusing on their future instead of the case at hand. To snap Gibbs back to reality, Frank smacks him upside the head the exact same way Gibbs would later do his own agents for years. The episode even jokes about the moment becoming a tradition. Later, when Randy keeps asking about a possible transfer to Naples, Italy, Franks warn him not to make him slap you upside the head like I done to Gibbs. Franks then says he doesn't want that becoming a thing. Of course, long-time NCIS fan already knows it absolutely becomes a thing. Over the year, Gibbs turns the head slap into one of the franchise's most iconic running gags. Nearly every member of his team gets hit at some point, but no one suffers more than Tony. Tony's non-stop jokes, movie references, and sarcastic comments may constantly push Gibbs' patience to the limit. In fact, during the flashback episode Baltimore, Gibbs slaps Tony almost immediately after meeting him, setting the tone for the entire relationship. Eventually, the head slap became so normal that Tony almost expects it. Their strange mentor-student bond turns the smack into a weird sign of affection and trust. Even other team members pick up the habit, including AB, who occasionally smacks Tony herself. What starts as Mike Franks trying to refocus a distracted Gibbs eventually become one of the most recognizable character traits in all of NCIS history. Thank you for watching. Bye.